I'm scared.
Court, all rise. If you see to go to down section, turn up your cell phone, please.
Afternoon, we are on the record on Commonwealth vs. Karen Reed on docket 22 CR 117. Beginning with the prosecution, can we have the parties introduce themselves?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Laura McLaughlin for the Commonwealth.
Good afternoon, Ms. McLaughlin.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Alan Jackson on behalf of Ms. Reed.
Good afternoon, Mr. Jackson.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Elizabeth Little,
Good afternoon.
also on behalf of Ms. Reed.
Good afternoon, Ms. Little.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. David Unetti for Karen Reed.
Good afternoon, Mr. Yannetti. Good afternoon, Ms. Reed. Okay. Oh, all right. So here comes Mr. Lally. Were you expecting him, Ms. McLaughlin?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm sorry. I would not have started. All right. So, Mr. Lally, if you just say your name for FTR to
Yes,
get
sure.
out.
I'm Lally for the Commonwealth. Good
All
afternoon.
right. Good afternoon, Mr. Lally. Okay. So when we were all last in court on February 15th, there was obviously Mr. Lally, why don't you have a seat? A joint motion to continue the motion to dismiss and the motion for sanctions and disqualification and have those heard on March 12th. So at the time, as you all remember, I said it was premature. So now we are in receipt of your motion to continue because of recent developments. So I'm also mindful, I did just this morning receive a letter from the Deputy U.S. Attorney, and she made it clear that the parties can make oral references to the contents and the materials and proceedings in this courtroom. But she also cautions that only as necessary to further the proceedings. So in light of that caution, I obviously have not seen and have no idea what these materials are. In light of that caution, what I'd like to do is set some dates. I do agree that we can hear that motion to dismiss, a motion for sanctions and disqualification. So I'd like the parties to, it says you received the information from the U.S. Attorney's Office on February 21st, and I know you outline in your motion that it's very voluminous.
That's correct.
All right,
The evening of the 21st, we basically have had access to it starting on the 22nd until today.
okay, so that's why I'm going to give you until March 6th to file any supplemental memo or motion on those 2 points, on the motion to dismiss and motion for sanctions. So the defense has until March 6th to file any supplemental motions and memos on those 2. The DA has until March 11th to respond. And on March 12th, we'll have a hearing on those motions.
Your Honor, if I may be heard,
I have more of a scheduling order, and then I'll hear you,
I
okay?
just want to be heard on the scheduling before we move off to that topic, so thank you.
Yep, no, this is all the dates that we're moving. You move to continue, and these are the dates we're having. Do you want me to say them again, Mr. Jackson? So on March 22nd, all motions in limine must be filed. On March 28th, at 9 o'clock in the morning, we'll have a hearing on those motions in limine. On April 12th, there'll be a final trial conference at 9 a.m. And on April 16th, the jury trial will begin. So it's a 5-week continuance of this jury trial. So I'll hear you.
I appreciate that, Your Honor. Thank you for hearing me on the issue of scheduling. I just want to bring to the court's attention a couple of things. I appreciate the court accommodating us in terms of the motion to dismiss today. I was prepared to argue the motion to continue on that issue, unprepared to argue substantively the motion to dismiss.
We're
but
not.
I understand that, but for the following reason. We received 3,074 pages, 1.3 gigabytes of data. We've only had a chance to go through a smattering of that data so far, right?
Okay.
So a couple of transcripts, we've reviewed and looked at or put our eyeballs on the files, but not the substantive data contained within those files. And I would dare say that the Commonwealth is in the exact same position. There has been an additional TUI request by the Commonwealth that the court is probably not aware of. That came in on Friday. Ms. McLaughlin asked the U.S. Attorney's Office, pursuant to TUI, which is exactly the same protocol that we utilize to get these almost 3,100 pages of data. And so we're expecting that to be heard at some point through the U.S. Attorney's system. In other words, they're gonna have to go to the magistrate, deal with the TUI system the same way that it took place here. And that takes not days, but weeks, I expect. We also haven't finished the Bodie protocol, which is the state's protocol with the crime lab that you're well aware of. I say that to say, through 2 years of litigation with the Commonwealth, just about 2 years of litigation, we've received a little over 3,200 pages of data. In one day, the defense was given 3,100 pages of data, and none of it appears to be duplicative. All of it is brand new, and all of it, Your Honor, appears to us to be exculpatory. The schedule that the court has suggested, although I'm mindful of moving this along, I can't do it in violation of my client's due process rights. I can tell the court there is no possible way that we'll be ready for, just to grab my notes, there will be no possible way that we could have all of our motions written on this issue alone, just the motion to dismiss, by March 6th. That's
So
too big.
what I need you to do is put in writing why.
Sure.
All right.
I can tell.
I am very mindful, though, where the U.S. Attorney says we expect, of course, that the parties will disclose orally the materials in court only as necessary to further the proceedings. So put something in writing, get it to me by this time next week, as to why you cannot be ready specifically. But I'd urge you to use that time getting ready. All right?
May I have just a moment to confer with
Yes.
counsel? Your Honor, thank you for accommodating that quick chat. I want to make sure that the court understands that in addition to, and that's what Mr. Yannetti was just urging me to bring to the court's attention. I don't want to speak for him, he can speak for himself. There is a motion to disqualify, which is also robust in its scope and terms. He's going to be arguing that. That is yet to be on calendar, and he just indicated to me he does not believe there's any way that he could be ready on this briefing schedule for this kind of influx and incorporation of this level of data.
So
There's
you
gonna be-
can put that in writing as well, Mr. Yannetti.
That's fine.
I just want
You do that.
to put a sort of a precursor to the court. We expect additional rules based on what we've got so far, and I'm happy to describe a sampling of it if the court wishes. But based on what we've gotten so far over the last 48 business hours or so, there's going to be additional Rule 17 motions, significant additional Rule 17 motions. There's going to be additional Rule 14 motions. We're going to have to supplement the motion for disqualification that Mr. Yannetti just alluded to. We're going to need to supplement the motion to dismiss, which I'm alluding to. We will be filing a motion for extraordinary governmental misconduct based on certain evidence that we just received. And all of this has to predate any reasonable effort that we have to prepare for trial. So my suggestion, and we'll put it all in writing as the court suggested, but I can tell the court that based on what I know, and I know that the court is operating a little bit in the blind because you don't know what we know, what we have. An April 16 jury trial date is probably not realistic, but I will put all of that, as the court has directed me to. We'll put all of that in writing, and we will suggest what we think is a reasonable trial schedule and briefing schedule based on what we've just received.
Okay, so I need that by next Monday at the latest, okay? Ms. McLaughlin.
A week from today, yes.
Your Honor, if I may, the Commonwealth has had the opportunity to go through all the discovery that's been provided. It is voluminous. It is, there's a lot of material there. However, the Commonwealth would dispute counsel's representation that the material is new information. I would say approximately 90% to 95% of the material that we've received is consistent with the Commonwealth's theory of the case and the testimony that went to the grand jury of witnesses' statements. There is some new information that counsel will use in their motion, and the Commonwealth understands that. However, I would say the evidence as a whole is very consistent with prior statements made by witnesses that testified for the Commonwealth. Thank you.
All right. All right, so put it in an affidavit by next Monday, but these days, as of now, these are our dates. Okay?
I want to make sure I got the dates, all the dates that the court indicated. March 6th for the motion to dismiss.
To file any supplemental memos on the motion to dismiss and the motion for sanctions, disqualification of the district attorney's office.
The next date, March 22 for motions, all motions in limine.
Yes, for
March 20.
filing all motions.
March 28 for hearing on all motions in limine. April 12, last readiness conference at
Yeah.
9 a.m.
Yes,
And April 16 for jury trial.
yes. Okay,
Your Honor, if I may, I may not have heard. The March 12th date, was at 9 a.m. or 2 p.m.?
March 12th, we can go at 9 o'clock and we can take all day. So, all right.
Your Honor, what are the dates for the Rule 17s that we anticipate filing, which we expect are going to be voluminous?
Why don't we do those on March 12th as well?
Okay, Your Honor, we have the calendar that the court has suggested, and we'll file our papers by Monday.
Great. We'll see you on the 12th. Thank you. All right. Want a short recess?
All rise.
Goodbye.
All these.
I have a quick question. So if I'm here Mondays and Fridays, and so I think that the jury trial is gonna be on Tuesday. When I'm not scheduled for my internship, I still sit right here. Okay, I was just wondering.
Of course.
I've come a long way. I gotta wait. Disgusting. Wow! Albert! It's Albert! Wow!
You want to go get it now?
Yeah. You take it or?
Start the market.
All right, thank you.
Yep. All set. So we just postponed it, that's it?
Yeah, it was kind of ridiculous. They got 3,000 pages of information, and she wasn't able to do it back to work.
Welcome.
Does he do
I know, if you're going to take pictures, I'm going to smile.
Stop
No, not you.
grinding your teeth. Look like you're eating for number
It's the blunt.
the lunch.
Smoke more blunts than you ever have smoked in your life. Oh, you're that Richie guy that gets paid by the weekend.
I did that the whole time.
Should ask her if she pays you on the stairs. Jackson pays you. What is it, $3K a month? Olivia's mom got 15, bro. Why Olivia drives the nice car, you just got the BMW. Hey!
Sir.
Sorry, hey, Quinn. See a medical patient. Can't do drugs on public property, sir.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's what the 3,000 a month went to. I get it now. Good one, Richie.
Richie, you have a fan club. Someone broke his dog.
Yeah. I haven't looked at it yet. If it's hair or something.
Yeah. Yeah. My dad worked in Polaroid for 42 years. I'm a representative.
My dad worked
You have a big camera. Yeah. He's tall. Yeah.
Stephen or no?
Oh, sure it does. You can take more pictures of my life than you'll ever know. Yeah? Oh, wait, I'll show you my phone later. All right. I'm on everybody's
Free that guy. Can we free this guy?
Are you free?
Are you free?
Are you free? Are you free?
That's a positive change of pace.
You guys make some room, please, for the exit.
Room for the stairs.
Right? There'd be plenty of room.
He already left.
Oh.
They went that way. They went on the ramp.
Didn't you want to go down?
Well, you got to realize the stairs are all we're seeing at this moment.
No. No. Oh, careful.
Hey, hey, same old stuff.
Day in paradise.
No kidding.
What's going on?
Good news today. Thank you for coming. Good to be seen.
Sorry, I didn't mean to hit your hand.
This is how they milk it.
Yeah.
How much does it cost her to come every time?
Oh, yeah. 100%, Tom.
Man,
Where's that going?
All right.
Oh, sorry, guys. All right, I didn't even know. God bless.
Sorry. No.
Yeah, I guess so. Well, that's not just like that. That's a very profound scene.
Gotta get all rolled.
Oh, boy.
I'm actually working on getting mine.
Get him, Tom.
Richie's always just smiling as I go by him. All the time.
Oh, you do? Why don't you get in there? Is that where Grant got his? It is on the other one. That's hysterical. Yeah.
Why the cops? I'm on the steps. I'll call you back.
Yeah.
All right.
No, it's, we're in the way.
Yeah, it would,
Yep. She showed up and Aiden had to leave. She showed up with the restraining order. Imagine that.
I'm way behind. Oh yeah. Did you see Coogan on my show? Yeah, I love that guy's awesome. He's got another 15 6. Yeah, he's a psycho. Yeah. I was so good. Yeah, and I had that guy Coogan. Yeah, awesome dude. Really good dude. And I'm gonna be going full blast on Proctor High right now too. Oh yeah. 14. Come on. Where's the hunt?
I'm live on Facebook.
Kathleen. Free Karen Reed! Free Karen Reed! Free Karen Reed! Free Karen Reed!
Yeah. Yeah, here's goes
Because she's got the order. Person with the paper wins.
Super light. Huh? Super light. Yeah. Anybody name on it? Oh. The name engraved on it? Yeah. Bozak. Isla Bozak? The two sides.
And she showed up after. Yep.
I think they're close. Yeah. They both.
Some going on in here.
I've been in nursing for that long.
I got a massive thing of medical records.
Well, let me just tell you, I've never read people or talked to write what injuries are not caused. They'll say status falls, pedestrian
Does it-
truck,
It's gotta be something that leads
to the head, but
one lead.
never do they say that it's not caused by an altercation.
Or a dog.
Somebody told them to write.
No,
I wonder who. And when will they be held accountable?
I don't know how.
Justice is very slow.
I don't know how.
Karen Strong,
Who's this?
she's got this fabulous lawyers.
It's me, Lally, when the case is over.
It's the same.
Yeah.
They're like, you know what? I have no idea. They're like, I don't know. How do you not know? You're in charge of the finances.
Ryan.
Nope, Karen's still inside.
14.4.
Still inside.
And then he goes,
Yeah.
and then he says, oh, one of the categories he's supposed to go to is security. Security. Why is everybody getting the shit kicked out of them in high school? It's insane. Yeah. And then they go, where's my, oh, I didn't know it. I don't know where it is. You should know.
You don't fire it up.
Ryan. Hi.
Hi.
Still alive. Tom.
Yeah, I'll be peeling.
Rosa.
And he hit it, and the funny thing is, he hit it, and of course, he comes out after he gets elected, re-elected, and says, oh, we have a money problem. Oh, yeah.
I keep climbing upstairs here. All right, so let me bring people up to speed. Aiden had to leave court because the DV victim showed up with the DV paperwork in her hand. Am I going to? Why?
Yeah, I'm telling you, that's why.
I try to get as close as I can to the front. Yeah. No, I'll come back down. Yeah, that's cool. I'll try and stay behind you. No, we're good, yeah. Boston Globe. I hope the headline put it. You should. This is Karen Reed's innocent. You get a picture of our sign truck?
Make a hole, excuse me.
The sign truck running around here.
Yeah, it's not the right word though. I still know what you mean. I know. I gotta delete this. Yeah.
I'm used to
Maybe we should be old enough to go to the trial by the time they.
Where's the other troll? Where's that other kid? He ain't near here, right? If they do a press conference, right? We're not gonna hear that freaking kid, are we?
Ryan, we love you.
Yeah, I got it too.
And it's like, I have to keep deleting pictures.
So, yeah, you
I don't know. But I bet you're right.
Oh, is that what DJI?
Every one of my own. Lots of nepotism. Oh. Yeah, we could have somebody.
No, I'm shooting my video. He's streaming to YouTube on the phone and recorded with the same thing.
Yeah.
But I don't.
I'm not sure, MB.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm the shortest person here to make sense. Yeah.
Yeah. I try to work myself.
So
My dad,
Yeah.
they're letting us on the stairs today, so that's a good thing. You know, they're not kicking us off like they are usually. Thank God. I got like front row view here for you guys again. So hopefully when Karen comes down, I'll be able to get a good pitch for you guys.
Oh, there he goes. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. What? Look at this. Call 1-800-COP. 1-800-COP. Right there.
No, they'll come out here.
Yeah, no one knew that Steve would like something funny. I'm out. I'm out.
We're not jealous of the glare. We like the glare. Like literally all of my viewers watch the glare. I'm pretty sure there's no one jealous of them. Oh, there'll be a way. Trust me. There's always a way to get Cadbury eggs. You know, the thing is, they're hard to find. They are so hard to find. No, they just walked out. Oh. The Cadbury eggs with the cream in them. Like the legit, the old ones. Like the first ones that were there. All right, we have noise on the radio. Come on now. Yeah. The mini eggs are good too, but the cream eggs are where it's at, I think. I think that's the deal there. I'm not sure if he's still here.
Here we go.
Oh, here we go, boys. Thanks, guys.
Why? Because she's innocent.
Walk the press, guys.
Free Karen
Aiden Kearney up with the FBI. Well, that was Mr. Yannetti, wasn't it, Karen? Don't look at me.
Karen, keep going. Keep going.
Oh, she took a different way. Oh, my dear God.
Keep going, Karen.
You okay?
Richie, you good?
Frank, give it a break.
Fucking idiot. Harassment.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Karen, happy birthday. We love you, hon. Let her go, Grant. Let her go. Happy birthday, hon.
Say hi to the fans.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Yeah, I'm fine.
You good, bud?
I'm good.
Virgin in the glass. Take a hike.
Again.
I saw you. Thank you so much for the Danish. It was so good. My God. How you been?
Okay, I'm doing
Yeah.
okay.
Good. Good.
How are you?
Good. This is kind of getting me a little. You gotta stop doing this, man. Really, this is enough. I mean, enough is enough.
Almost did. Your foot,
My foot got caught, yeah.
And that poor guy can't go nowhere. Everyone's just stopping him, grabbing him for a picture. Aiden, yeah.
I gotta hug upstairs.
Everyone's grabbing him. Everyone's like, yeah, picture.
I'm good, yeah. Yeah, anything for the shot, you know that.
I got that shot too, you know.
Want me to take it?
Good job, bud.
Flying Richie. After me.
No, it's not. I'm good, yeah, thanks.
Thank you. Aiden, have a great rest of your day. Blessings to you. Thank you, Richie. Have a good one.
Richie, you're not a kid.
Did anyone know if Kieran's dad got to his car?
Yeah.
Did
All right, come here,
Suzanne?
All right, let's go.
I tried to jump that.
Need a screenshot of that, guys. Please, thank you. Gotcha.
I know.
Yours is better than mine, so I figured.
This is the camera that they bought me. Isn't it freaking?
It's
Look
really
at
nice.
it all moves by itself. Gimbal. It's badass. Grant.
I know. I like what happened this time. Anything? Nothing. I really was going to postpone it for a year, and then I didn't think we were going to go this time. But apparently we are. And it's going to go
I got my gavel.
Have a good night.
I will.
Thanks for coming.
All right.
Enjoy.
Thursday,
The way so they don't arrest me for littering.
Glittering. We'll get you on that
Nice to
too.
meet you, Todd.
Nice to see you.
Hope we see you again.
No doubt. Oh, guys, this is crazy. I'll catch you next time, big guy.
I forgot it at home. Harley's looking for you. You don't have your flag.
I missed my
Cadbury egg,
flag.
but I forgot it at home.
Next time.
So next time-
There'll be a next time.
There will be a next time.
There will
I'll
be
be
a
bringing
next
it.
time.
Because I did. I
Hi.
got you one. You kept asking for one the other day, and I was like, I'm gonna go get Tom a Cadbury egg to bring to him, and then I forgot it at home this morning.
I have Cadbury's.
No, Greg came running by like.
Yeah, he's right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drugs.
That's Grant. I've never seen him, but I
The
don't.
way his jaws move
His-
makes me feel like he does drugs.
He says he smokes. He says he smokes.
Oh, so he admits that?
Smokes what?
Somebody said, someone questioned him about that, and he said because he smokes blunts, his jaw does that.
I'm a pothead and my jaw don't do that.
I